Hello everyone. Welcome back to the Review Pro. In today's videos, we are going to check out the top 5 best GPS drones in 2019. To see the price and more information about these GPS drones, please check out the links down in the description. Okay, so let's dig in the videos. Starting at number 5. We have the Walkera Scout X4. The Walkera Scout X4 comes with the FCS Export Flight Controller, which allows for position hold, return to the home and a myriad of other features taking full advantage of GPS. It uses a highly efficient 6S power system that provides for up to 25 minutes of flight time when utilized with the included 2.4 GHz Bluetooth satellite module. A world of possibilities opens up with live telemetry and tablet, phone-controlled mission planning. It features retractable carbon fiber landed gear providing an unobstructed view when used with the included Walkera G-3D brushless, 3-axis camera gimbal. With its powerful 2.4 GHz, 12 channels of control, integrated 5.8 GHz video receiver and large full-color LCD supporting FPV and telemetry data hub overlay, it will be your go-to radio. Moving on at number 4. We have the Yuneec Q500. The Yuneec Q500 captures 1080p, 120 frames per second slow-motion video with a full complement of manual camera settings for total creative control. Perfect ground shots are also available with the included handheld steady grip. It uses the CG03, which is an innovative combination of a 3-axis gimbal camera and digital video downlink. The CG03 mobile application allows steady grip users to capture images, shoot videos and control the CG03 gimbal camera. You can control the tilt angle direction from the Street 10 Plus and view the world from above as if you were flying, from horizon to 90 degrees down. It is powered by a 5400 mAh, 3S, 11.1 volt LiPo battery, giving users a superior flight time of up to 25 minutes. Besides, you can extend your perspective from the sky to the ground with Typhoon 4K modular system. Check out the description for more information about these product and latest price. At number 3. We have the DJI Spark. The DJI Spark offers quick launch with face aware and sparks lift off from your hand by recognizing your face. It takes off and hovers in place within seconds of powering on. You can take amazing aerial photos using just hand gestures without a remote controller or mobile device. Also, the intelligent flight modes and intuitive controls help you to create a cinematic aerial video, with only a few taps of your finger. It supports the DJI Go 4 app, which features automatic editing templates and an array of filters. Besides, it quickly edits videos and shares them straight to social media. Moreover, the powerful propulsion offers regular flight and strong winds at up to 31 miles per hour in sports mode. It uses a high-energy density LiPo battery for optimal performance and has 12 intelligent protection functions that help deliver safe flight. At number 2. We have the DJI Mavic 2 Pro. The DJI Mavic 2 Pro uses flight autonomy technology to sense obstacles up to 49 feet away and allows the Mavic to bypass them or brake to over, reducing accidents. It supports 4K video at 30 frames per second with no electronic image stabilization needed, and sharing all footage is 4K. It was a miniaturist ultra-size, 3-axis gimbal, which is capable of stabilizing the camera even during the rapid motion for smooth video and sharp photos. It is capable of reaching an absolute maximum flight time of 27 minutes, and a maximum distance of 13 kilometers due to its powerful high-efficiency motors. Also, it comes with an integrated high-precision 3-axis camera, mechanical camera, stabilization system, giving you crystal-clear photos and smooth videos without losing a single pixel. And finally at number 1. We have the Altair Ariel Outlaw. The Altair Ariel Outlaw allows a smoother flight and perfect stability for aerial photographers. It offers 1080p high-definition video and first-person view and high-resolution photos with barometer altitude hold. It has a flight range of 600 meters and each flight can last between 18 and 20 minutes. Also, it holds itself utterly stable in the air and GPS flight mode, allowing for a more comfortable flight and perfect stability for aerial photographers. On the other hand, it features multiple flight modes which include headless mode, return home, GPS, waypoint flight, altitude hold at one touch takeoff and landing. Thanks for watching. I hope you liked the video. If you found it helpful, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the next episode. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can.